Hello, this is my quick review of these Halloween bags, and as you can see right here we have pack of 100. They also come in different designs. It's all 4 different designs. They also measure 6 by 7 by 10 inches, and I think this could be perfect for what I'm doing this year, because I'm not just giving away candies, but I also doing teal pumpkin project, so we will be giving away some goodies. So as you can see right here, I prepare stuff what we will be giving away this year. I love that they can fit perfectly my coloring books. So as you can see, we can just put the coloring book right here. And we also putting 1 set of glasses. We also putting 2 sets of bubbles right inside. I also will be adding pencil and eraser right here. Also we have a ruler bookmark. We also have a glow stick little hand right here. One of the fidget goes inside too. And then we have a different type of stickers which can also fit perfectly. And yeah, look, overall we have a nice little treat bag right here. So it's not just only candies, but also something cute and nice for the kids. I love that the handles are kind of very sturdy, but it also feeds all of my ideas inside, and I'll be able to give away something cute and something fun for the kids this year for Halloween. Overall, I have been super happy with these bags and highly recommend to check them out. Thanks for watching.